Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the Nifty on Render. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Render has formed a very big and long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And while moving inside this long-term down channel, by the way, right now we are watching on the live 7 days time frame chart, you can see that while moving inside this the bigger down channel, it has broken out a smaller down channel. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past few months, it has been moving inside the smaller down channel. When we had a fake out from this bigger down channel in the month of December 2024, at that time we found the resistance of this channel and we got rejection here, so many rejection, and finally we broke it out. But after the breakout so far, it is not able to break out the resistance of the bigger down channel. You can see that for the past several weeks, it is getting rejected by the resistance of this bigger down channel. Along with that, we will also need to break out this exponential moving average 21, the EMA 21 on the 7 day time frame chart that is acting as a very, very strong resistance. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render that I shared few days ago on 8th of August 2025 with my members, and so far this signal has produced almost 24% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 8th of August 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish AB equal to CD move that render completed on the daily time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. It buying on, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is geared up and read the sell target sign here. And so far it has pumped almost 24%. And now it is gearing up from the same potential reversals on of this bullish AB equal to CD move. Before that, we got almost 68% pump. That was a bullish cipher move that was formed on the 4 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very massive reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of render. And this is the 7 day time frame chart. In here, you can see that previously we broke out this long-term down channel, and after the breakout, we had a very, very massive rally, and now it is stuck inside in another down channel. And now, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this channel. By the way, while moving inside this bigger down channel, we have broken out the smaller down channel, and the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, and almost there we also have the target for the breakout from this bigger down channel as well. And over there we have a very long-term resistance on, and that target is here at somewhere between $12.50 to approximately $14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.